Welcome to our series of short videos. In this video, we'll have a look at OneDrive Sync, which enables you to work with Teams files from within your file explorer. OneDrive Sync is a replication capability built into Teams, SharePoint and OneDrive. It enables you to keep synchronized copies of files on your computer, which you can access from File Explorer even when disconnected from the internet. If you change the file while offline, the changes are synchronized back into the cloud when you next connect. Let's see how simple this is in practice. In our Microsoft 365 training team, I'll go to the Collaboration Demo channel and then to the Files tab. The Sync button is how we tell OneDrive Sync which files to synchronize to our local drive. I can synchronize the entire hierarchy of folders or drill down to a subfolder to synchronize just a few files. I'll click on the Sync button to start the synchronization process. With a few files, this will only take seconds. I'll switch to the File Explorer. On the left, with an icon of a building, I can see my synchronized folders. In your case, the label will show your company name. I'll click on the name of the folder I synchronized and see the files. In the status column, I can see cloud symbols. These indicate that the file is not really on my computer, it's just a link, so it does not take up space on my drive. I can right-click on a file and select Always Keep on my device to copy the file to my disk. If I do not select specific files, it will do this for all the files in the folder. Notice the status showing synchronization and then a solid green icon. I can now work on these files even when disconnected from the internet. I'll open a file and make a local change. Save the file and exit. The status will show arrows indicating synchronization to the cloud. If I no longer need a local offline copy, I can right-click and select Free Up Space. This will remove the files from the local hard disk, but leave a link that I can use to view or edit the file. Thank you for watching this video. Try using OneDrive Sync when you need offline copies of files. Search for more videos to find out more about how Microsoft 365 can help you.